So I decided to give Threadbeast a try and decided to order it for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. I ordered the essential plan, so let's see what we got. Ooh, I'm loving this jacket, and it's from Diamond Supply Co. Wow, this is really nice. Look at these jeans. Loving the denim. He can definitely wear this the next time he takes me to dinner. Is that a Caden sweater? Wait, I'm definitely into this brand. Loving how warm this feels. Can't go wrong with some white socks. And from Crisp, okay. Very nice, a Buffalo Henley. I'm loving his box. This is so soft. Okay, overall, super happy with my first Threadbeast package. Can't wait to show you all what he gets next month.